Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simplykay back with another video. Welcome back. This video is the first cash stuffing for the month of December. This month is a magic month, which means I get 3 paychecks this month. So there will be 3 cash stuffings. So we are going to be stuffing $750 today, and we have a lot to do. Not a lot of time, so we're gonna get right into it. If you are new, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to the family. And then if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. And without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so $750 is what we are stuffing. We're gonna get our bills out and ready. Today has been a productive day for me. It is Sunday, so you guys will be seeing this video tomorrow, which is Monday. I've been pretty consistent-ish. But yeah, so got our money out. And of course, we're gonna start with the verse of the day, and it is, gracious words are as a honeycomb, sweet to the soul and healing to the bones. And that's Proverbs 16:24. I love Proverbs. It is literally full of wisdom and knowledge, and this just goes a long way. Like, just be mindful of the things that you say and come out of your mouth. Like, our words should be healing to others, not detrimental or causing hurt or harm. So yeah, that is the verse of the day. So we are gonna start with my wallet. Scoot this over. Gas is going to be getting $60. So I've been working part-time, 20, 40, 60. So it's just one less day a week, but I've been picking up shifts. So I've still been using the same amount of gas. So I'm definitely going to need to put this in the tank. Food is just going to be getting $10. I'm actually going to be starting my diet soon because I just realized, like, I've been eating very, very unhealthy, and it's just, it has to stop. And I want to start my new goals and stuff now instead of waiting till January. Like, why not just start now? So date night is going to get $25. Just trying to have like a proactive mindset and not get caught up in like, oh, the New Year's resolutions. Like, no, let's start today. Shopping is going to get $25 as well. And then that's going to be it for our wallet. Uh-oh, we got some money in here. This is leftover from something. Oh no, this goes into my dollar savings challenge. I think I took money out of there. Oh wow, never mind. So we're going to put this 5 to the side, and we'll determine where that's going to go later. But we have lots of dollars. Before I end my wallet out, we're just going to see if I have any change and do our change. We have a little bit. Not much. Better than nothing, though. Oh, this thing's getting heavy. Alright, so we have $109.84, and I have 53 cents. Which is crazy. We're going to cash this in at the end of December. So now we have $110.37. That thing is heavy. Alright, so for the dollar challenge, we're gonna get our envelope. I think I have $31 in here as of right now. And we are going to be adding, we have a whole lot, you guys. All right, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Wow, $14 we're going to be adding in, so we should have 45, I want to say. All right, let's see. 5 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Yep, $45. That is so good. $45, y'all. The dollar savings challenge is like my #1 savings challenge. Like, I do so good with the dollars. It's so easy. I don't like miss them. I don't grab for them. Like, once I see $1, it goes straight into my little envelope and I forget I even have it. So now we're gonna go into our cash envelopes. Fun Money has $35 and is going to be getting 15, so we should have a total of 50. 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. That's the most Fun Money has ever had. So now I can make a little outing. Self-Care is going to be getting $235, and it's going to be getting a 100, a 50. Oh, shoot. Hold on, y'all. I did something wrong. I don't even know why I did that. First of all, gas, this goes back over here. Excuse me. Gas gets a 50 and a 10. So I caught where I went wrong. I'm like, I need a 20. All right. So anyway, Self-Care is getting $235, 100, a 50, a 20, 2 10s, 2 5s, and then 35. Okay. So I did that weird because $200 is going to be for my hair appointment. I'm getting my hair braided again. That way my hair is braided for my birthday, so I don't have to do anything crazy and I can just wake up and go. That was literally the best thing ever. So we're going to have $235 in here. 100, 150, 170, 190, 300, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. $235. Perfect. I did not think I was going to have enough money to go get my hair done because it's pricey, y'all. But I need to do it. I need to get my hair braided. It lasted me almost 2 months last time, and that's really, really good. Emergency Fund has $155. It's going to be getting 15, so we should have $170. So 100, 150, 160, 65, 70. 170. We're slowly building that back up. Car maintenance has 100. It's going to be getting 25. 100, 120, 125. And today is pretty much like a $5 day. Everything in the sinking funds is going to be getting $5 later on. So medical dental has 30. We're adding 5. We're going to have 35. 20, 25, 30, 35. Oh, all right, we're going to put that over here. And now our sinking funds. So birthdays and gifts has 50. We're adding 5. So it's going to be 55, 20, 40, 50, 55. Hubby is emptied out. Y'all know his birthday's coming up. It's actually this upcoming week. So we're going to be starting over for him. So he's going to have $5 in there now. Vacation has 50 in here. And we're going to be adding 5. So we'll have 55. Which I kind of want to make like a separate binder like when it gets closer for the Disney trip. But for now, I'm just going to keep it in the vacation envelope. Grad school has $425 in here. And we're going to be adding 300. So the rest of this. So we should have $725, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 20, $725. Which I need to go deposit because this is due this month, and that'll be for the next payment for the spring semester. Textbooks is going to be getting 5 because I have a new class coming up in January. I'm in the last week of this class. You guys, I just got done an 11-page paper, a group PowerPoint, all these little assignments. It's been a rough class, and it's my first class back since being back to work after my maternity leave. So I just feel like it's been very stressful. And now that I'm in the flow of things, I think I'm okay. But it definitely hit me like a truck that I was trying to work, go to school, be a mother, be a wife, be just a human being. Like, it was just a lot. So We are almost done. We're in the last week. Christmas is fully funded. It has $130 in there. I still have to go get a few things for my Pollyanna people. Simplykay has 25. It's going to be getting 5, so we're going to have 30, 20, 25, 30. P.O. Box has 10. It's getting 5, so we'll have 15, 5, 10, 15. And then giving is the last one. It has $70 in it. It's going to be getting 5. And then I'm also going to add in this extra 5 because, y'all, we are so close to 3,000 subscribers. And I will be doing 3 giveaways. Like 3 different people will win 3 different prizes for the 3,000 subscriber giveaway. So stay tuned. But we have 50, 60, 65, 70, 75. I'm very excited because I have some good stuff in the lineup. So that is it. We are not going to be stuffing my challenge, my savings challenge this time around, just because I had to get my hair done. Like, there was just some unexpected things that had to be budgeted out. So I will not be stuffing this savings thing challenge today, but I have 2 more checks for this month, so I definitely will be stuffing that in those ones. So that is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, commenting, interacting with me in the comments down below. I literally love it. I love responding back to you guys and talking, and just knowing that in this financial journey in life, we're all trying to get it together and we're all working towards our goals. And it's just nice to have you guys to hold me accountable, and I can help hold you accountable. It's been nice. So thank you so much, and thank you for all the new subscribers. I see you and I appreciate you. And as always, my returning subscribers, y'all already know. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.